Hi everyone, welcome back to my channels. Today I'm going to show you how to make refreshing cucumber soap at home. Let's get started. First, cut the soap base into small cubes. Then measure 74 grams of soap base. Next, grate a fresh cucumber. Strain the grated cucumber and measure about 10 grams of the juice. Now melt the soap base using a double boiler until it's fully melted. To prepare the color, take a small amount of jojoba oil and mix it with green mica powder until fully dissolved. Once the soap base is completely melted, slowly add the cucumber juice while stirring gently. Add 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Then add a few drops of essential oil for a natural scent. Add a few drops of vitamin E oil and mix well. Now gently add the green pigment we prepared and stir until everything is evenly combined. Carefully pour the mixture into the mold, leaving some space for the second layer. Now let's prepare the second layer. In a clean beaker, add some glycerin, then a small amount of titanium dioxide powder. Mix well until smooth. Add this mixture to another melted soap base and stir well. Lightly spray alcohol on the surface to remove any bubbles. Check if the first layer is fully set and cooled, then gently pour the second layer on top. Spray a little alcohol again to remove bubbles. Allow the soap to set for a few hours. After 2 or more hours, gently remove the soap from the mold. And here is the final result: fresh, smooth, and beautifully layered cucumber soap. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.